Okay children, welcome to 20 hands hybrid learning. Okay, today we will be covering 3 topics, that is reflection through plane mirror, multiple images, and lastly dispersion of light. Let us start with reflection through a plane mirror. આપણે બધાએ પ્લેન મિરર તો જોયો જ છે, દરેકના ઘરમાં હોય જ. અને એવરી મોર્નિંગ વી સ્ટેન્ડ બિફોર ધ મિરર and ask the mirror, 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 how beautiful I am, right? So everybody has seen the plane mirror, બરોબર? So let us see what type of image is obtained in a plane mirror. So for that, let us understand, okay, by this diagram. Suppose we consider that from a particular source, suppose this is a source of light, from there, okay, a ray of light is incident on a plane mirror. Consider PQ as a plane mirror and any reflecting surface. This is the back portion and this is the front portion. This is the reflecting surface, right? Now let us consider one ray incident on this plane mirror, and we can draw one normal to that, and we take another ray also which is incident on the plane mirror, and we draw one more normal એટલે perpendicular to the incident where the ray is incident. What do we observe is that after the ray strikes the plane mirror, it gets reflected, that is, it moves in the opposite direction, and this is your reflected ray, right? From here also, this is the incident ray and this is your reflected ray. Now what do you observe is that after reflection, આ reflect થયા પછી આ reflected ray છે અને આ બે incident ray છે, incident, okay? The rays after reflection, you see, are running parallel to each other. એટલે આમ આગળ જાય તો ઈ ક્યાંય ભેગું જ ન થાય. It will never meet anywhere because it is running parallel. So to understand how the image is formed in a plane mirror, આપણે શું કરશું? આપણે આને પાછળની તરફ બે reflected ray ને પાછળ extend કરશું આવી રીતે. We will extend it behind like this. This is to understand, okay? અને ઈ છે ને ભેગી થતી નથી, પણ આપણને એવું લાગે છે કે ઈ ભેગી થાય છે rays. અને જ્યાં ઈ બે rays, where the both rays are meeting, there your image will be formed, right? And the type of image which is appearing to meet behind the mirror is called as a virtual image. Virtual image એટલે the image which cannot be obtained on the screen. ધારો કે આ એક સ્ક્રીન છે, બરોબર? તો આની ઉપર ઇમેજ નથી મળતો, આની પાછળ મળે છે ઇમેજ. The image is obtained not on the screen but behind the screen. So such type of images which cannot be obtained on the screen are called as virtual image. એટલે આપણને પ્લેન મિરરમાં કેવી ટાઈપનો ઇમેજ મળે છે? વર્ચ્યુઅલ. અને images which can be obtained on the screen, જે સ્ક્રીન ઉપર મળે છે, જેમ કે આપણે when we are going to see a movie, right? So you are seeing the movie on the screen. પડદાની ઉપર આપણને આપણે મૂવી દેખાય છે, તો ઈ રિયલ ઇમેજ છે. આપણા રેટિનામાં, આંખની અંદર એક સ્પોટ, એક ઓર્ગન છે જેને રેટિના કહેવાય છે, તો રેટિનામાં પણ રિયલ ઇમેજ ઓબ્ટેન થાય છે. એવી રીતે સિનેમાના સ્ક્રીન ઉપર, પડદા ઉપર રિયલ ઇમેજ ઓબ્ટેન થાય. So images which can be obtained on the screen are called what type of images? Real images. Okay, પણ પ્લેન મિરરમાં આપણને કયો ઇમેજ મળે છે? વર્ચ્યુઅલ ઇમેજ. અને વર્ચ્યુઅલ ઇમેજ હંમેશા કેવો હોય? ઇરેક્ટ. ઇરેક્ટ એટલે સ્ટ્રેટ. સપોઝ આઈ એમ ધી ઓબ્જેક્ટ, આઈ એમ સ્ટેન્ડિંગ ઇન ફ્રન્ટ ઓફ અ પ્લેન મિરર. તમારા ઘરમાં પ્લેન મિરર છે, તમે પ્લેન મિરરની સામે ઊભા છો તો યુ આર ધી ઓબ્જેક્ટ. અને પ્લેન મિરરની અંદર તમને તમારું ઇમેજ દેખાય છે. સો ધેટ ઇઝ ધ ઇમેજ. So that is erect. Erect એટલે head is up and legs are down. It is not, you are not getting ulta, inverted નથી મળતું, પગ ઉપર ને માથું નીચે, like that you are not getting. Okay, so you are getting virtual and erect image in the plane mirror. So type of image is virtual અને erect. પછી size કેવી છે ઇમેજની? same as the object. Suppose I am 6 meters in height. So in the mirror also my height will appear the same, that is 6 meters. Okay, so size will be the same as the object, same size as object. Image અને object ની size સરખી જ હોય, same size as object. એટલે image અને object ની size સરખી હોય. And distance નું શું? If I am standing 2 meters away from the plane mirror, so inside the mirror my image will appear 2 meters from the mirror. એટલે object અને mirror ની વચ્ચે 2 meter if the distance is there, તો image અને mirror ની વચ્ચે પણ the distance will be of 2 meters, right? One more thing, my image will be laterally inverted. You will see a laterally inverted image. Laterally inverted image એટલે શું? If I am raising my left hand up, તો તમને મિરરમાં શું દેખાય? Right. And if I am raising my right hand up, so what you will see in the mirror? Left. બરોબર છે? એટલે જ ambulance જે લખેલું હોય ને, it is written ઉલ્ટા. Why? શું કામ એવી રીતે laterally inverted લખેલું હોય? શું કામ? So that તમે મિરરની અંદર જુઓ તો you can see that straight. So you can give way to the ambulance. Okay? If siren એ લોકોનું ખરાબ થઈ ગયું હોય તો તમે એ મિરરમાંથી, તમારા કારના મિરરમાંથી if you are seeing, so you can see that straight ambulance, so you will go aside and you will allow the ambulance to go. So for that they are writing it, it is written laterally inverted. So I hope you know what is laterally inverted. One more example, you can try this at home. One more example I will give you. Laterally inverted, you can write like this: R E and D. Okay, you write red like this on a piece of paper, and then you see it in the mirror, it will appear straight like this. So this is what we call it as laterally inverted. I hope you have understood this. Okay, fine. Once again I will repeat: image formed in a plane mirror. First, it will be virtual and erect. Second, it will be laterally inverted. The size of the object and image will be the same, and the distance of the object from the mirror and the distance of the image from the mirror will be the same. Now let us understand, what do you mean by multiple images? This is, we took only a single mirror. So if you take a single mirror, you can see a single image. But suppose if we take more than one mirror and we place it at certain angles, suppose we take 2 mirrors or we take 3 mirrors, okay, so what will happen? Okay, to understand easily, we will try 2 mirrors. So suppose if we are taking 2 mirrors and we adjust it in a baju, this is one mirror, okay, and this is the other mirror, and we are placing it side by side, that is adjacent, baju. So at an angle of suppose 90 degrees, if the angle between the two mirrors, this is one mirror and this is second mirror, the angle between the two mirrors is 90 degrees. તો શું થાય? તો આપણને કેટલા images મળે? એવી રીતે different angles if you are placing the mirrors, તો how many images of an object, એક object ના કેટલા images દેખાય? How many images of one object you will be able to see? Okay, for that we can work out that by a particular formula. So let us see what is that formula. Suppose the angle is even, like we took here 90 degrees between the two adjacent mirrors. This is one mirror and this is two mirrors, and between the two mirrors, if the angle is even, that is 90 degrees. Okay, so the formula which we will use is 360 minus 1 divided by theta. If the angle is even, theta is the angle. Okay, theta is the angle between the two mirrors. And if angle is odd, then you will use the formula 360 upon theta. So you will come to know how many images will be formed. If you wish, you can try out with 90 degrees, which is an even number, and you can try out with 45 degrees, which is an odd number. So you will come to know, you will solve it, so you will come to know that how many images you will obtain. And if the two mirrors are placed parallel to each other, સામસામે હોય બે mirrors, so you get innumerable images. I hope most of you must have seen Enter the Dragon movie, Bruce Lee નું, બરોબર? તો એમાં last scene માં you must have observed that there were so many mirrors in one room, and you must have seen that you could see multiple images. Bruce Lee ના કેટલા બધા images તમને દેખાય. ઈ તો એક જ હતો, પણ એટલા બધા mirrors સામે 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 ગોઠવેલા હતા કે એની અંદર you don't come to know કે actual person ક્યાં છે. So many images you could see of one person. So if the mirrors are parallel, you will obtain innumerable images. Right? Now let us take up the last topic, dispersion of light. To disperse એટલે spread થવું, right? Simply you have to understand, to disperse એટલે to spread. એવું કહેવાય છે કે the sunlight which is there, it is made up of 7 colors. પણ આપણને તો ઈ directly એવી રીતે you cannot see those colors. So for that you can just perform a simple experiment. Okay, you can take a prism. Okay, a prism you can take, suppose this is a prism, and if you allow the rays of the sun to fall on this, okay, so this is white light, because what we are observing is the white light, we don't know. Okay, if you allow the ray of light to fall on this, right, on the prism, so after falling on this, when this white light which is allowed to fall on this prism, okay, so આની ઉપર પડ્યા પછી when the light comes out on the other side, and suppose you are placing one white screen here, આની સામે એક white પડદો રાખી દો, so you will observe on the screen that this white light splits into 7 different colors, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, okay, and that is Vibgyor. Okay, that is violet, indigo, you all know, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Means your sunlight is made up of 7 different colors, and the splitting of white light into 7 different colors, rainbow, બરાબર છે ને, rainbow ના 7 color. So splitting of white light into 7 different colors is called as dispersion. Disperse થવું એટલે spread થવું. With that, we complete all the 3 topics, and I hope you have understood this. If not, once again you can go through the video. Okay, fine.